Where are we heading? It's a question we ask ourselves every day. And to find the answer, we must look for it within ourselves. In that look, we find our people that work every day with the same passion. Where we find loyalty and trust, a spirit of bravery and a sense of justice, of those who give the right tools so we can all build a better future. From DIY to construction, from gardening to lighting, all our brands share the same values. With empathy for others and respect for nature. And they follow the path without forgetting their origins. That's why more and more wolves are attracted by the values of our Wolfpack. Wolves that come from everywhere, who decide to join us. And when we are asked, where are we heading? We would rather ask, with whom? Because the world is too big to be lonely. 𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏, the Wolfpack leaders.